Hi, this is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use Blackbox AI. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Blackbox AI is a cutting-edge artificial intelligence tool specifically designed to aid developers like you. It acts as a virtual coding companion capable of understanding your requirements in a plain English and translating them into functional code across various programming languages. With Blackbox AI, you can beat farewell to the frustration of writing code from scratch or getting down by syntax errors. So how to use it is so simple. So we can just search for the Blackbox AI on our website browser. On the browser, you can just type on Blackbox AI. Here's the web. You can just tap on that, or you can also install the app. Here's you can just start asking on this Blackbox AI, like maybe how to create coding for for game app. So here's the answer from the Blackbox AI. Creating a game app involves several steps from planning and design to coding and testing. So this AI, the Blackbox AI, give you guide like the conceptualization, the design. You can choose game engine and set up your development environment, coding the game, asset creation. There's so much guide that this Blackbox AI gives you. So simple, right? You can also ask this AI to create code for like this. So here's the code that you just asked from this AI. So cool, right? So that is how to use Blackbox AI on your phone. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.